Hi, my name is Chris Walton and we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. And today I'm going to show you a 2017 Everglades 325, one of the finest boats built in the country. This boat has removable bow filler cushions. It's got fish boxes underneath the front and the side there. Has a windlass anchor. You've got totally insulated fish boxes. These are bow backrests that can actually be removed. So if you're fishing, take all these cushions, put them in the head so you don't get a hook in them, and then you're ready to go. The electronics on this boat, you've got twin GPS 16s with chart plotter, GPS, and fish finder. Also is plugged into an open array radar up front. You've got the Optimus joystick, so for docking it makes it almost effortless. You've got fly-by-wire throttles. This boat's equipped with autopilot as well, trim tabs with trim tab indicators. Anything, there's nothing more that you actually have to add. This boat is equipped with a second station. You've got electronics up there as well as the joystick. This actually folds back, so for hauling or whatever you want to do, if you keep it in dry storage, it doesn't take up that much space. But if you're cobia fishing, that's the way to go. You want to have that second station. Down below here, you've got a extremely large fish box, live well. I love these seats too, because you can actually, when you're fishing, just fold them up very easy. This boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower Yamaha 4-strokes. They're painted motors. You've got trim tabs, underwater lights. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give me a call at 850-974-6032.